We are at the Spam Museum in Austin, Minnesota. Check in.
Are we all together? Yes. Alright. Yes. All one floor, very easy to navigate. No right or wrong way to go. It's a self-guided tour, so you can explore on our own. A lot of people do like to start in our history section. The entire museum's interactive, so touch screens, press buttons, play games, take quizzes, email yourselves, all kinds of recipes to try out at home. I just need one of you from your group to step up here with Karen to get you guys checked in, and otherwise you guys are good to go.
The Spam-tastic.
Right there, yeah.
What's your idea of a perfect vacation?
Going to a foreign country, spending a few days on the beach, attending a concert, hiking, visiting family, or staying in. Would you choose Spam brand, pizza, Chinese, salad, fast food, or chicken wings? Which meat dish would you prefer?
I'm not doing, I don't eat meat.
Okay, which one do you think is best
I
for you?
do eat chicken, so.
Spam.
No, friends, spend time with family or watch a movie. And finally, what's your favorite section of the Spam Museum?
Oh, they haven't gone in
I
there
haven't
yet.
done that yet.
Big one.
Maple
Maple.
Spam.
Hey, that's pretty good, Aaron.
That's pretty good.
I think it's cool already.
You could tell Grandpa anything about the Spam Museum? What would you tell him?
I think I would tell him he should definitely come here and do the quizzes.
Maple
Spam gel.
Oh,
Spam connected to chocolate.
is that a Spam-tastic? That's cool.
And a limited edition spam. Eh?
A Spam-tastic? Is that a mandolin? Spam-tastic?
Change. Back spam.
Spam catapult.
There you go. Let's see if I can make it all the way to the top. Okay. If anybody's watching this, tell me if I can fit through this or not. This is the scariest ride. Super fast. There we go.
You want some Spam?
No.
Ready?
You sure?
Okay. Good.
All right. Ooh, Aaron.
I'm about almost 16.
15, 16, almost 17.
Dude,
Jayla is 20.
Not quite.
See how tall Dad is?
20.
Can't take up that.
No, he's about 20.
Cheeto,
He's 21.
stay down.
20 and a half.
He's 20 and a half. Next time.
How many? 21.5.
22 and a half.
22.5.
Silas is 20 and a half. How it's made. Pork with ham, 2 cuts from the same piggy. Pork shoulder is used for its juiciness and tenderness. Salt, water, potato starch, sugar, sodium nitrate. You push this to start the timer. Grab a can and fill it. Put a lid on it. I guess you're filling it with these, right?
Yep.
Cook it in the oven. So you must put it in the oven. Start. Put a label on it. Is that the label?
Mm-hmm.
Box it. And then hit stop.
What can you do, Aaron?
Ready?
Ready, set, go.
You made 6. They could have made 1,386 in that same amount of time.
In that same amount
Wow.
of time. Wow. 2, 1,
Hit the button when you're ready.
go.
Go, Aaron.
I put a lid on it and put it in the oven.
You put 2 in the oven at a time?
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Aaron, you can do that.
Put a lid on. You gotta cook them, so you gotta put them in.
And this is not in time lapse.
Ready? Alright, you and Dad are doing this.
No, it's just me this time.
You have to make sure you push it on. Take it out of the oven.
Ah, hot. Ooh, that's hot in there.
Where do they put my spam? Oh, you're fine. Okay.
Do 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 do.
I'm gonna all of them.
I'm gonna do the fastest at this. I'm getting frustrated.
Quick, you can do this.
I wanna try it. I need to try it.
Listen.
You get to try it after. All in a minute, Isaac.
Can you beat my time?
No, they're all done. They're all done. They're all done. I
Are they
already
all
cooked
done?
them all.
Yeah, you get it close to beating my time, Aaron. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
Oh boy, you need help.
No, I got this. I got this.
Come on. I'll shoot you in.
Thank you, Dad.
One more, Aaron. Hit stop button.
Ooh, 150.
You can't avoid it. This past week, I've had spam, cubed with cream corn, spam breaded with cornflakes, spam with bacon.
More spam? What kind? Oh, turkey.
Turkey.
Thank you. That was good. Only those who have eaten spam at dawn toasted on the end of a knitting needle at a bomb shelter amongst debris can really know how good it is.
So guys, this is me calling with all my might. that is actually all my weight too. Right, Dad?
Right.
This is me with my weight.
Whoa, you
My
did
weight.
it. If you're traveling near Austin, Minnesota, the Spam Museum is a fun and interactive stop for the whole family. Located just off I-90, it's a great place to stretch your legs and take a break from the busy highway. We spent about an hour and a half, but you could visit in as little as 30 minutes. Admission is free. Check out the link in the description and tell us about your visit in the comments.
Spam is here.
You guys shopping for Spam stuff?
Yes, we are.
Think we should buy some Spam? The maple Spam was good. We had some of that. Yeah, we could do that. Aaron, do you want to carry this? And I will carry that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have a great day.
You too. Yep, thank you. Thank you. What is it?
Spam cake.
Have a good rest of your day.
Yeah. We're heading home back to Vermont, so we were in South Dakota, but yeah. So we had a great time at the Spam Museum in Austin, Minnesota. Check it out. Bye bye Spam Museum.
We shall return.
Continue on I-90.